Yes, yes.
Before a new point, new topic, I have a question that I have seen so many people who are smoking, who are drinking, and they are talking like if a man facing bad problem, like they are facing lot of problem. So and a man who are facing like breakup problem. So almost this type of people are using this type of smoke and alcohol. So is really smoking or alcohol helpful for removing a problem or breakup problem?
You are asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, in my opinion, it really what I think, it's just an excuse because we have set the mindset that we feel very comfort, we feel less stress, therefore we should smoke. In the life, everybody has got the problem and tension and depression. It does not mean that you should smoke or you should consume liquor. If you are saying that I don't know why am I smoking, so you are lying. Only you are the person who is smoking and taking the cigarette. Nobody is making you smoke. You are smoking on your own and you are spoiling yourself. So I would say it's just you. It's not an addiction or something that cause of government we are smoking, cause of actors we are smoking. It's you. You can choose. You can choose to smoke. On the other hand, you can choose not to smoke. So you have to choose what should be good for you. And if you are,
I think I have.
Continue.
And I have also seen so many people. People like in the both type of problem, people are having alcohol and smoking. Like if they are in an enjoyment, okay, they are in entertainment something, so they are having alcohol. And if they are having facing lot of problems, so after that he is also taking alcohol and smoking.
Yeah, really.
Like both type of situation, they are having alcohol.
They need to change the perspective. I would say you need to make a good habit. If you think, if you are depressed or if you have got a breakup or something, anything, so instead of smoking or consuming liquor, you can go somewhere, you can do some other activities, you can go traveling, you can visit, you can talk to new people, anything. As so many things are there rather than just smoking and consuming liquor. So, and nobody will understand, like whatever we are conversing, nobody is going to understand except you yourself.
For enjoyment, should we use or not? Like in a little bit, not a big amount.
There's a difference between taste and I would say addiction. I would say there's a difference between have a taste and addiction, and obviously life is there. So I would say you should have a taste of everything. But I'm not saying if you are having something, but now it is the out of the limit. You don't know how to control it, so it is not good behavior.
Yeah.
It should not be there.
And people have so many experience that they are telling and they are sharing experience. If you are having alcohol, then after that you can enjoy that moment very much.
Dekho, I don't drink, है ना, I don't consume liquor, and I'm damn sure that I also enjoy in spite of not having these kind of consuming things. In spite, I enjoy. So I don't agree with the point. भाई मैं तो बिना पिए भी खुश हो जाता हूँ.
Okay, and should be used this or not?
Laborers. मतलब workers.
Yeah, workers.
Obviously not. For everyone I would say.
Because they have a different type of perspective. Like after doing a lot of work, after doing a hard work, like they want to feel comfortable, they want to feel rest.
They are just thinking, again I'm saying they have chosen the mentality. After even workers, so workers should not taste even. They don't have money to get the treatment done. After amount of time, they have 4 and 5 children. Okay, understand? They have 4 and 5 children, and though they don't have income, and if they are drinking again and again, they are beating their wife. What will happen? After the age of 45 or 50, they will not be able to earn money, and after that they will be the burden for their children, and their children will abuse them. And in most of the cases, this thing is going to happen.
It's depend on our mentality.
Yeah, obviously. I think positively, and I'm a teacher. I'm making you convert. So I would say that no, it's not good.